Hey guys, so what we're going to do now is look at unit circles that are larger than 2 pi but smaller than 0. Okay, so for instance, if I asked you to find secant of 13 pi divided by 3. So what we're going to first do is convert 13 pi over 3 into degrees. Pi, because we need a pi on top. I'm sorry, we have a pi on top. We need a pi at the bottom. So they're going to cancel out, and that puts 180 degrees on the top. I'm going to go grab my calculator. And now multiply across the top. So 13 times 180 is 2,340. Divide by 3. So divide by 3. And we get 780 degrees. Now 780 degrees is not on the unit circle. In fact, the largest angle on the unit circle is 360 degrees, right? Because one trip around the circle is 360. So what we're going to do here is take 780 and we're going to subtract 360. Okay, and we get 420. Now, 420 is still larger than 360, so we're going to subtract again. And I get 60 degrees. So the unit circle does have 60 degrees on it. So let's put the original problem. The original problem has secant. They asked us for secant and then 60 degrees. So then you go to your unit circle. What's the reciprocal of secant? And if you said cosine, you got it. Now, so 60 degrees for cosine is 1/2. Now, how do we turn this into secant? We flip it. Okay, and then, so the answer is 2. I hope this is making sense. Okay, now, let's do another problem. And let's say we do tangent of negative 5 pi over 3. Okay, oops, let me move this down so y'all can see me. Okay, so we're going to start this problem off exactly the same. We're going to convert, so we're going to put pi at the bottom and 180 at the top. So the pi's cancel. Do not forget that negative. So 5 times 180, I believe is 900. Divide by 3 is negative 300. Negative 300 degrees is not the same thing as positive 300 degrees. Okay. Whoops, 300. So now what we need to do is get this down small enough to be on the unit circle. So we're going to add 360. Okay. And the reason why we're going to add, because it's still like subtracting. Okay. And I get 60 degrees. Goodness, no matter what I do, I keep getting 60. If it was still negative, I would keep subtracting. Okay, so let's put the whole problem back together. So it's tangent of 60. Now that's sine. So sine of 60 is square root 3 over 2 divided by cosine, which is 1/2. Keep, change, and flip. So the 2's cancel out, and we get the square root of 3 over 1, or just the square root of 3. So remember, big angles, can y'all see this? Okay, so big angles, subtract from 360, small angles, add 360. Okay, I hope this helps.